Hello friends, good morning. Our chapter name is Matter Around Us Pure. In this chapter we have seen the mixture, solution, then suspension, colloidal solution. Then our points we are going to separating the component of mixture. So in this point we have seen 2 points. First point, it is the how color component separated from black ink or blue ink. Then second point, how cream separated from milk. Today let us start the third point in this topic. The point name is how can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquid. टू इमिसिबल लिक्विड हम किस तरह से सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. सो डिस्कस अबाउट दिस पॉइंट. So you know that two immiscible liquid means these two liquids are the two different phase, or it is the heterogeneous mixture, or it is the non-uniform mixture. And this mixture how separated? So this mixture separated. The principle is that immiscible liquid separate out in layer depending on their density. This principle based on the density means one liquid high density and one liquid low density. जिस लिक्विड की डेंसिटी हाई होगी वो लिक्विड डाउन में होगा और जिस लिक्विड की डेंसिटी लो होगी वो ऊपर होगा. फिर these are the liquids separated on the principle that are the separating funnel. ये जो दो लिक्विड है हमें सेपरेट करने हैं और इनका प्रिंसिपल किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है, डेंसिटी के ऊपर. फिर these are liquid separated by this instrument name, it is the separating funnel. This separating funnel, इसका पिक्चर आप टेक्स्ट बुक में देख सकते हो. These are the separating funnel. It is very important for the two immiscible liquid. These are the two immiscible liquids separated by the separating funnel. For example, you know that kerosene oil and water. These are the first water take, then oil, then shake it well and dissolve it to each other. Then this separated how? By using separating funnel. Then oil upper side and water lower side. Why? It is the wrong. Okay? Oil and water. Then water and oil. So which are the density high? Oil or water? Water or oil? So these are the density high water and low density oil. Means this layer seen in the separating funnel, these are the water and droplets of the oil. Okay. So these are separating, this solution take in the separating funnel and this solution take in the separating funnel. So लोअर साइड को क्या आएगा, वाटर एंड अपर साइड को क्या आएगा, ऑयल. सो फर्स्ट आउट ल्यू वाटर देन ऑयल बाय यूजिंग द सेपरेटिंग फनल डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर डेंसिटी. इट इज द वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल, ऑयल प्लस वाटर. देन सेकंड एग्जांपल, बेंजीन प्लस वाटर. देन थर्ड इट इज पेंटेन प्लस एसिटिक एसिड. फोर इट इज molten silver plus lead. It is the immiscible liquid and this immiscible liquid it is separated by the separating funnel. Then what are the application of this separating funnel? So first application, it is the two separate mixture of oil and water. Oil and water का जो mixture है हम separating funnel से separate कर सकते हैं. Then second, it is the extraction of iron from its ore. जो ore है उससे हमें आयरन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना होगा. So this method also used by the separating funnel. These are the application of this method. Okay. So I hope to understand. This is the. It is very simple point. How can we separate a mixture of two immiscible liquid? Okay. Thanks. Hello friends, number 4 method how can we separate a mixture of salt and camphor. Okay, so discuss about this method. Then you get the salt and camphor, it is the mixture. That's are the how can separate. Then first we sublimation. Sublimation means, the definition of the sublimation means that are the solid state directly convert into gaseous state. It is called as sublimation. Then for example, camphor, ammonium chloride, naphthalene, anthracene. These are in given solid state and that are directly converted into gaseous state, and this process it is called as the sublimation. Then the next point, that are the you given salt and camphor mixture. Then how separated camphor from salt separate. First take out the salt plus camphor, place on the watch glass, then place the funnel in inverted side. Okay, then give heating by the burner, then this solid compound gets converted into vapor state, and this vapor state gets converted into solidified compound, and this solidified compound it is the camphor, and this camphor it is separated from the salt by using the sublimation method. Okay, sublimation method means it is very simple, that are the solid gets converted into gaseous, and this method it is called as the sublimation, and this method by using the mixture of salt and camphor, and you get the camphor from the salt. Okay, so we today let's see that are the two methods. That's number how can we separate it. First it is the number 3rd and number 4 method. Okay, thanks.